yeah, I have actually completed the installation, and let me show you guys how it looks like now. Yep, I actually dyed it black because I think that will be a practical solution in the future, because it won't have any stain or mark. As you can see, yeah, my hands is very dirty because I supposed to use glove, but I didn't use glove. But anyways, I only uses 2 bottles of this fabric dye. I actually like how it looks like now. The color is like not exactly like jet black, it's like dark gray, and I feel that this look makes the car very different from the rest. It looks more premium. Yeah, can let me know how do you guys think about this new installation.